Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn to do comparing and ordering of fractions at page number 100 and 101 of Maths World. So let's start. Dear students, Karan and his friends are fond of cake. They brought 4 cakes and went to a park for party. They made different groups as shown in the picture. There is same size of cake with every group. Karan thought, which group should he join where he gets bigger size of the cake? In group 1, there are already 7 children. In group 2, there is 1 child. In group 3, there are 3 children. And in group 4, there are 2 children. Dear students, Karan thinks if he joins group number 1, there are already 7 children in the group, and including him, there will be 8 students in total. So cake will be divided into 8 equal parts. So Karan will get 1/8 part of the cake. Karan thinks if he joins group number 2, the cake will be divided into 2 equal parts. So he will get half of the cake. So he will get 1/2 part of the cake. Karan thinks if he joins group number 3, there are already 3 children in the group. Including him, there will be 4 children in the group, and the cake will be divided into 4 equal parts. So he will get 1/4 of the cake. There are 2 children in group number 4. If Karan joins them, they will be 3 in total, and the cake will be divided into 3 equal parts. So Karan will get 1/3 of the cake. Dear students, after carefully observing this, which part of the cake seems to be the greatest one and which seems to be the smallest one? Yes, 1/2 part of the cake seems to be the greatest one, and 1/8 part of the cake seems to be the smallest one. That means fraction 1/2 is the greatest fraction and 1/8 is the smallest fraction out of these fractions. So dear students, when numerators of fractions are equal, then fraction with smallest denominator will be largest, and fractions with largest denominator will be smallest. Dear students, Arpan and Sahib are brothers. Their mother gave 1 chocolate to Arpan and 1 chocolate to Sahib. Both the chocolates are of same size. There are 7 pieces of Arpan's chocolate and 7 pieces of Sahib's chocolate. Arpan breaks 2 pieces of the chocolate to eat. It can be represented as 2/7. Now dear students, Sahib breaks 4 pieces of the chocolate to eat. In fraction form, it can be written as 4/7. Now kids, look at this. Which part seems to be the greater one? Yes, this part 4/7 seems to be greater than 2/7. So dear students, that means fraction 4/7 is greater than fraction 2/7. So dear students, if 2 fractions has same denominator, then fraction with larger numerator is greater and fraction with smaller numerator is smaller. Dear students, for the preparation of PAS, now let's solve a multiple choice question. Dear students, here we have a multiple choice question. There are 4 options of the question. We have to tick mark the correct option. The question is, in the below given pictures, which part of the cake shows 1/2 part? In option A, there are 8 equal parts of the cake. its one part represents 1 by 8 fraction. In part B, there are 4 equal parts of the cake. Its one part represents 1 by 4 fraction. Dear students, now in part C, there are 3 equal parts of the cake. Its one part represents 1 by 3 fraction. Now in part D, there are 2 equal parts of the cake. Out of these, one represents fraction 1 by 2. Dear students, now we can see that in option D, it shows 1 by 2 part of the cake. So option D is the correct option. We will tick mark option D. So dear students, now what you have to do is at your homes, by revising these activities, try to do comparing and ordering of fractions. Thank you.